G'day guys, Caleb here from Landlogic. We just had a shipment arrive of a bunch of GRANIT-Parts all the way from Germany. So I thought I'll pull out a few of them and just go through a bit about how we're extending the range. So over here we've got some of the inner belts. So these are actually OE quality spec belts. So these are all for your 6Ms and 7Rs and your bigger Johnnies. So we do them individually as well as the pulleys as well. So we've got oodles of pulleys on the shelf, and something else the brand Inner does is a belt kit. And in that kit you get the pulley, the belts and the tensioner as well. So product to look for and saves you some serious money. And then very common, but it's hard to get a good one. This is your door glass, your rubber seal. Plenty of that there in stock, and very nice and flexible, easy to kind of bend around those tight corners too. So check that there out. On your mud guards, you got your PTO switches, your on-offs, as well as your hitch arms up and down. So something that they do as well, really handy, is they actually even label the genuine numbers on them as well. So you know it's like for like. When you're swapping them in and out, you know that it's going to be the right ones. Here you have your CAN bus terminators as well for the John Deeres. All your Johnny Techs out there, you'll know what this is. You've probably got one in your ute at the moment. So common faulting part, we offer it in a genuine option with the RE stamp on it, as well as an aftermarket option here as well. So seriously good buying on those, and if you know the number, check it out. Something else Scotty's brought in as well is this is the AdBlue module. So this is the complete AdBlue module for your 7R and 8R Johnnies. Genuine Bosch, so it's the exact thing that came out of the tractor, but once again, very, very good buying here if you have this fault. So quite common. Over here as well, we've just got some rolls of hydraulic hose, so 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 inch hydraulic hose. We do also have a massive array of fittings as well, all of your adapters, 90-degree bends and 45-degree slope bends as well. So something that we'll be bringing in is also a startup kit for hydraulic fittings. So that will include all of your BSP, all of your metric, JIC, ORFS. So yeah, we'll be doing another video when that comes out, but very exciting times ahead, and yeah, once again, thank you for all your support. Thanks guys.